the bacon, but yours.
Oh, yours has bacon?
Yeah, mine has bacon. I gave you the shitty recipe.
You gave me the one with sugar snap peas and you got bacon? Hello and welcome to another episode of Hacker Whack Snack Edition. Today, we're using the term salad very liberally. Claire, what's on the menu?
Joel, do you ever wake up just feeling like a hater?
Literally every day.
Just ready to hate on something?
Yes.
That's what happened to me the day that I first saw this popcorn salad recipe. I woke up, I checked Twitter, it was like the first thing I saw and I was angry at it.
This is gonna look so fun on the table. And then to finish it, I'll top it with my reserved celery leaves and a pile of watercress. And the watercress will add a peppery kick.
Claire, popcorn salad, what is it?
If you're familiar with the Southern or Midwestern tradition of just mixing stuff with mayonnaise and calling it a salad, it's exactly that. It's popcorn with mayonnaise, some vegetables, maybe some cheese, maybe some bacon. But like the interesting thing to me is when I pulled people on Twitter, I could only find two people who had either heard of it, like I'd actually seen it in a church lady cookbook, and another person saw it in a grocery store in Madison, Wisconsin. I have a recipe from allrecipes.com, but yes, the one I sent you is the one that everyone was angry about on Twitter and, you know, shaking their fists at.
Okay, so what's in your first time assembling the dressing? So this is, in my recipe, mayonnaise, sour cream, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a little bit of sugar.
Oh my God, yours has a lot more stuff in it. Mine's just mayonnaise.
Yours is just mayonnaise?
The dressing of my people. The directions on mine were just like, toss the mayonnaise and all the other stuff with the popcorn. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Well, mine is involved because first I have to dump the shallots in and season it. I'm adding in now a bunch of sugar snap peas, which I have not eaten in a long time, chopped celery, which I know is your favorite, and shredded carrots.
And some dry shredded carrots. So mine has water chestnuts in it. Does yours have water chestnuts?
No, but mine did call for watercress, and I could not find watercress in the store because what year is it? So I'm just using baby kale as my green.
All right, I need to add some cheese, but not all of my cheese, because you want to save some for garnish. Same thing with the bacon. Not all of the bacon, but...
Oh, yours has bacon? That's
yeah,
not
mine
fair.
has bacon. I gave you the shitty recipe.
You gave me the one with sugar snap peas and you got bacon? Okay, I'm adding my popcorn.
I'm garnishing with more cheese and bacon. The popcorn is making a Rice Krispie sound.
Yours is. Oh, mine is too.
Like a snap, crackle, pop.
But don't you feel like it'll be soggy very soon then?
Yes.
Here's mine. Oh, it's making all the noises.
You ready to try it?
Oh yeah. Let me get a good scoop. Cheers, Claire.
There we go. Cheers, Joel. I regret to inform you that I like this.
I was thinking the same thing. I like it too.
Is this a snack?
I'm afraid to say it.
Bro, this is a straight up snack.
This is a snack. I could keep eating this.